Oh, no way. Have you ever wondered how your GPS knows your exact location? Or how live TV broadcasts reach millions of people across the world at the same time? Or how internet access is possible even in remote deserts, mountains, and oceans? The answer is above us, literally. High above the Earth, thousands of machines are orbiting silently, making modern communication possible. This is the power of satellite technology. In today's video, we will explore what satellite technology really is and how satellites work step by step. We will also look at the different types of satellites and how they impact our daily life. Let's begin. What is satellite technology? Satellite technology refers to the use of artificial satellites to provide services such as communication, navigation, weather monitoring, broadcasting, and scientific research. What is a satellite? A satellite is an object that moves around the planet. There are two types: natural satellites, like the moon, and artificial satellites. These are human-made machines launched into space. They orbit the Earth and perform specific tasks. How satellites work? Imagine this: a satellite is like a mirror in space that receives signals and sends them back. Step 1. Signal transmission from Earth. A ground station sends a signal to the satellite. This can include TV broadcasts, internet data, or phone communication. Step 2. The satellite receives this signal using antennas. Step 3. Signal processing. The satellite processes and amplifies the signal. Step 4. Signal transmission back to Earth. The satellite sends the signal back to another location. This is called uplink and downlink communication. Satellites move around Earth in specific paths called orbits. First, low Earth orbit, or LEO. These are close to Earth at 160 to 2,000 kilometers. They move fast and have low latency, making them perfect for internet services and Earth observation. Next is medium Earth orbit, or MEO, used mainly for navigation systems like the Global Positioning System, or GPS. Then there is geostationary orbit, or GEO. At 36,000 kilometers, these satellites stay fixed above one location for TV broadcasting and weather monitoring. Communication satellites enable phone calls and TV broadcasting. Navigation satellites help determine your exact location anywhere on Earth. Weather satellites monitor storms and climate, while Earth observation satellites are used for mapping and disaster management. A major real-world example is SpaceX Starlink. It uses thousands of satellites to provide global internet access. Satellites allow communication across the entire planet. Even remote areas without towers can connect to the internet. Thanks to satellites, you can find directions or use ride-hailing apps in real time, all powered by GPS. They also help detect floods, earthquakes, and wildfires, providing critical information for life-saving rescue operations. Satellite data even helps farmers with crop monitoring and irrigation planning, ensuring global food security. Challenges remain, such as the high cost of launching and signal delays. There's also the growing issue of space debris. The future is exciting, with satellite internet expansion and integration with global 5G networks to support future smart cities. Satellite technology connects the world. Without it, global communication, navigation, and weather prediction would be incredibly difficult. As technology advances, satellites will become even more important. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to Tech in Minute.